Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start our today's lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss introduction to assembly language, fundamentals of assembly language, what are instruction groups, general instruction format in assembly, what are segments, and how to download editor and assembler. What is assembly language? Assembly language is a low-level language that uses English-like word mnemonics. Now, first of all, we must know what is low-level language. Low-level language is close to machine language and is directly understandable by the computer. While assembly language is close to machine language, but it is not directly understandable by the computer. It needs a translator, that is assembler, to translate the assembly code into machine code so that it is understandable by the computer. For this purpose, we will use the network assembler termed as NASM, which have advanced full screen debugger termed as AFD debugger and linker. Now let's discuss some fundamentals of assembly language. Assembly language is case insensitive. It means you don't need to worry about uppercase or lowercase characters. It uses 64 megabyte memory and memory is divided into 4 segments. We can write commands using semicolon. Variables in assembly language are termed as labels. And assembly language represents latent memory using little endian notation. What is it? It means that least significant bit is on left side and the most significant bit is represented on the right side. We can see from the diagram normal representation in memory is that most significant bit is on the left side and the least significant bit is on the right side. While in little endian representation, least significant bit is on the left side and most significant bit is on the right side. I hope you got it. Now let's see what are instruction groups. Whenever we work in some high level language or in any other language, we are dealing with instructions. So in assembly we must also know what are the instruction groups. In architecture 88 we have 4 instruction groups that are data movement instructions. They are used for movement of data from one location to another. Let's see an example: move AX BX. It means move data from BX to AX. Load A0234, it means load 0234 into accumulator. You don't need to worry about how they are moving data, you just need to see examples. Arithmetic and logical instructions, as the name suggests, they are used for performing arithmetic and logical operations. An example, we have add bx0534. It means add 0534 to bx. You can see I have written the comments after semicolon, so you can also do as well. The third instruction group is program control instructions. They are used for controlling flow of program. For example, we can use loop and jumps to run specific instructions first, or to repeat a specific number of times instructions. So in this way we are controlling the flow of program. What are special instructions? Special instructions are used for special purposes. Examples are CLI. It means clear interrupt flag. You don't need to worry about what are these instructions. I am just giving examples that how these instructions look like. Now let's see general instruction format in assembly. In assembly, an instruction can be written in the following formats. First format is instruction destination source. It means we write destination just after the instruction and source after the destination. Let's say an example: add AX BX. It means add BX to AX. The other instruction format is instruction destination. In this format we just give the destination. Example: increment CX. It means increment in the CX. The third format is instruction source. In this format we are just giving the source operand. We can see an example: mul bx. It means multiply bx, that is source operand, with the destination operand ax. Here ax is implied. How it is we will discuss in the lectures upcoming. Let's talk about segments. A memory is divided into 4 segments. Segment means logical divisions in x88 architecture. These segments are code segment. As the name suggests, these segment contains the executable code of the program. and CS register holds the starting address of the code segment in x88 assembly language. The second one is data segment. Data segment holds data used by the program. DS register points to the starting address of the data segment in x88 assembly language. The third one we have stack segment, also termed as SS. It is used for managing the program's runtime stack. In short, it is used to handle stack. SS register points to the starting address of the stack segment. What is extra segment? The above three segments have their specific purposes. Extra segment is just an additional segment for additional purposes. For example, it can serve as additional or extra storage and for loading video memory. What is video memory? You don't need to worry about that. We will discuss it in the further lectures. Now let's see how to download NetWord Assembler. We can download NASM from the following link. You just have to follow this link and you will have the instructions how to download. Otherwise, I am also giving you instructions. You just have to download zip folder from the given link. Then you have to create a folder in local disk C named as assembly. Now you have to paste the zip folder in assembly folder. Extract the zip folder. Now download executable file of DOSBox and keep it in the assembly folder. Now download the Notepad++. Congratulations, your setup for assembly is prepared. How to run this setup we will see in the next lecture. Moreover, you can also visit my blog whose link I will mention in the comment section. And I will also mention the link for downloading the NetWord Assembler. I hope you got it. Thank you.